Since the 1960s, emulsion fiberglass and short links have been used as a protective surfacing for roofing, but could never be used as a roof system by itself. In hard binders like resin and fiberglass, strands only need to be an inch in length to achieve full strength, but in a pliable binder like asphalt, short fiberglass strands pull out easily. After 40 years of an industry trying to solve the obvious problem of increasing strand length, Weatherweld answered it with a simple but effective method using a mixture of short strands intertwined with long strands up to 2 feet in length to form a matrix that makes the long strands lay down and form a solid in one step. The continuous matrix is intertwined for equal strength in all directions. Instead of single filaments, each Weatherweld strand contains 60 filaments wound together like cable. The snaking pattern provides 5 times the elongation and 16 times the dispersion of movement previously possible. Now let's see what that means. The heating and cooling of a building creates strain. Top performing systems have both strength and elongation to resist this strain. Fiberglass roll reinforcements split quickly, while Weatherweld's patented matrix design provides both strength and elongation over a wide range. Abrasion to a roof surface from rooftop traffic and mechanical changeouts is an inevitable problem. Granules can partially protect, but they can also hide damage. A screw on the bottom of the shoe can make major problems for a thin stretch-based single-ply or polyester system. Here, stretch without strength means pinpoint weakness. But Weatherweld's fiberglass composite structure is strong enough to limit damage to only the surface. During equipment changeouts, roofs are subjected to more than just abrasion from a screw. Weatherweld's patented matrix reinforcement provides the strength to reflect impact without damage. Heavy equipment and thermal cycling can create a tremendous load on a roof. Fiberglass roll roofing fractures easily. Modified systems do not do a whole lot better. Single plies have stretch but can be punctured, and polyester systems can tear. But Weatherweld has over 2.2 miles of intertwined fiberglass filament per square foot, creating a solid composite structure that has the strength and durability to hold up where other systems fail. If you could concentrate the heat and UV of years of sun exposure, this is what it might look like. The oils in the asphalt burn away, exposing the reinforcement to damage. Even though this built-up fiberglass roll system has the highest fire rating, UL Class A, it cannot stand up to this extreme test. But neither can 1/8-inch solid steel. But against Weatherweld, the torch is stopped cold. As the top surface asphalt burns away, the inorganic bentonite forms a surface barrier protecting the materials underneath. It's no surprise that Weatherweld can withstand the extremes of this torch test. Remember, the entire Weatherweld system, not just the surface, is made of the same proven asphalt emulsion and fiberglass, which has been used as a protective surfacing for the past 40 years. In terms of reliability, you have a choice of roll-based systems with hundreds of potential trouble spots at the lamination cuts and seams, or manufactured in place solid seamless composite construction. In terms of durability, you have a choice of standard asphalts, modified, rubber, or plastic material, or asphalt emulsion and intertwined long strand fiberglass composite. In terms of safety, you have a choice of fire, concentrated weight, and toxic fumes, or odorless, cold-applied, environmentally responsible material. In terms of life cycle cost, you have a choice of continual removal costs with disposable systems, or a permanent sustainable system for the life of the building. For some of the country's most demanding clients, the decision's been easy. People who are responsible for lives, for absolute reliability in their products. People who cannot afford mistakes. People who think for themselves and do their own homework. People who will not tolerate hidden costs or disruption to their business or their customers' business. Other manufacturers cannot bring you true seamless composite roofing, not because of patents, but because it obsoletes their roll factories. The decision's yours to stay with the rolls you know and live with the problems you've grown to accept, or embrace the future and begin today enjoying the benefits of seamless roofing.